Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Nothing Phone 3a. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to Settings. Then click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Then click here to enable Hey Google. And now you have to scroll down and click I agree, then again scroll down and click I agree, and click next. Now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes I'm in and make sure that the search option stays on. Now let's go back and go back again, and then click on Gemini. Now you have to scroll down and click continue, then scroll down and click use Gemini. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.